Good evening. Good evening. We welcome you to the 6-day online faculty development program on sustainable innovative practices for a better future. We are very thankful to AICTE for this initiative. So we have a grand number of participants, and I welcome all of you to the virtual platform of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalay. AICT Training and Learning Academy Atal has organized this initiative, and we are having almost 123 participants on board currently. A very warm welcome to this initiative of learning to teach, learning to be a better teacher. And I also welcome at this stage Principal Dr. Ajay Serene, who is with us. Also, a very warm welcome to the co-coordinator of this program. So, without taking much time, as is the practice with Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalay, which is a A++ NAC accredited institution, always trying to achieve, trying to give the maximum to the community, trying to achieve the goal of national education policy. So one of the innovative practices and best practices of this institution is starting the virtual faculty development program or any other event with the formal lighting of the lamp. May I request Mr. Arvind, our technical partner, to please start the lighting of the lamp. ज्ञान की ज्योति जलती रहे, धर्म का पताका बुलंद रहे, यही कामना कि सब हर वक्त धर्म की अधर्म पर विजय हो। हंसराज महिला महाविद्यालय डीएवी सीएमसी के अधीन कार्यरत एक ऐसी संस्था जो अब लगभग 100 वर्ष पूर्ण कर रही है। लगातार इवॉल्व हुई ये संस्था, जिसने डिजिटल माध्यम को बहुत ही खूबसूरती से अपनाया, और जब कोविड आया तब ये संस्था पूरी तरह से तैयार थी कि कम्युनिटी आउटरीच डिजिटल माध्यम के द्वारा भी कर सके। इस संस्था का एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रैक्टिस है कि ELMS सिस्टम इस कॉलेज में विकसित है और टीचर्स अपने लेक्चर्स ELMS पे डाला करते हैं, जिससे कि स्टूडेंट्स कभी भी उनको असेस कर सकते हैं। हंसराज महिला महाविद्यालय के एलुमनाई दुनिया के हर कोने में फैले हुए हैं और हमारी सदा ही ये कोशिश है कि यहाँ के पढ़े स्टूडेंट्स लगातार देश का नाम रोशन करें। और आइए अब हम डीएवी गान के द्वारा अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन हंसराज महिला महाविद्यालय और डीएवी को एक नमन करते हैं, एक प्रेम भरा, स्नेह भरा, आदर भरा नमन।
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय, हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय, डीएवी जय जय, डीएवी जय जय। प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन, जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन, वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता, ये धारा अक्षय, डीएवी जय जय, डीएवी जय जय। दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले, हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले, धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय, डीएवी जय जय, डीएवी जय जय। सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें, प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे। सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय, लिए अटल निश्चय। डीएवी जय जय, डीएवी जय जय।
Thank you very much. Now is the time for me to introduce our principal, Principal Dr. Ajay Serene, to all of you, the faculty members who have joined this faculty development program. As I can see from as far away as Coimbatore, from down south to up north, from eastern Himalayas to the west, everywhere from all corners of the nation, we are having participants in this faculty development program, and I'm very sure that the kind of people we are having as resource persons is going to be very enriching, very enlightening sessions for all of you. So Principal Dr. Ajay Serene is one of the most celebrated principals. She has received the Best Principal Award not only at the district level, at the state level, but also at the national level. She has been honored and recognized by Dr. Kiran Bedi at the Vigyan Bhavan, Bangalore, for her exemplary contributions towards women empowerment, towards the fields of education, and towards a new education policy. She has also been the recipient of the Best Woman Leader Award from the maestro Shri Sunil Gavaskar at Mumbai, and she has many records to her name. I know her as a person who is a visionary, who continuously inspires, encourages, and a leader with many beautiful qualities. So I feel very honored and at the same time humbled to be inviting Principal Dr. Ajay Serene for her welcome address.
Thank you, Dr. Anjana. Thank you. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, perfectly audible.
Thank you. Thank you. It is a proud moment for me to extend a very hearty welcome to all the 132 participants from across the country. No doubt it is a very serious kind of an environment and weather conditions in Punjab, and maybe in between sometimes the link, the internet, that would be broken. But let us try to make the most of our companionship, our association with one another, so that the purpose of AICT Training and Learning Academy, under the aegis of which we are doing this 6-day online faculty development program, is fulfilled. As the name says, sustainable innovative practices for a better future. What more could be appropriate to discuss in today's scenario when the weather is so bad, when the entire north is flooded, and we are here to analyze, we are here to talk about certain innovative practices by which we can make a better future for the coming generations. Dear participants, as Dr. Anjana has just now informed, that you are from different corners of the globe, and I see this as an opportunity that every one of you will share your experience, share your examples, what you are doing at your own institutions, so that together we can chalk out certain programs, together we can sum up certain things so that we can create a better future for the coming generations. When we talk about sustainable innovative practices, I think Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya is one institution that has been pioneer, and with God's grace is pioneer and will be pioneer in adapting these innovative practices. When we talk about the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, You can find a live example of all these three things in Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya. When we talk of inventing something new, when we talk of innovating something new, but keeping the cost constraint in mind, again, HMV is a pioneer in that. When we talk about addressing the environmental issues, when we talk about connecting everything with the social issues, I'm sure that after interacting with the faculty, after being a part of this wonderful 6-day online faculty development program, you will be convinced that whatever little we are doing in this part of the country, that is of value to each one of you. So not taking much time, because we have resource persons who are already waiting for us. I once again extend a very, very hearty welcome to each one of you. You know, I know that sparing evening time, which is our family time, it is very, very difficult. But at the same time, you know, I can assure you that you will not regret spending these 6 evenings, you know, with 132 participants, what I can see right now, because the result is going to be wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Through all the participants, I also take this opportunity to thank the principals of respective institutions who have given permission to all the participants to attend this program. And at the same time, I also extend my thanks to the families of all the participants, you know, because it is the family time which the ladies or the men at home are going to be with us. There are strict measures as denoted by AICTE, and I would request you to kindly follow all those things so that together we can make a great learning experience. So wishing all of you a wonderful week ahead, so that when on the 6th day in the valedictory, we once again meet. No doubt we shall be meeting every day, but when we meet with a treasure house of knowledge, with a treasure house or a bag full of innovative ideas, we shall be beaming with happiness that we have definitely learned something new, by virtue of which we can make the planet a better place, a utopian planet for the coming generations. My congratulations to the coordinators, Dr. Seema Khanna and Dr. Gagandeep, and especially the IQAC coordinator, Dr. Anjana, the team, their team. If I go into naming all the names, I think that would take much time. But the entire HMV team who have put their heart and soul in making this FTP a success, my congratulations to each one of you, and not forgetting my duty to thank AICTE for sponsoring this program. I hand over to Dr. Anjana for taking us further into the first day of this FDP. Thank you, Anjana.
Thank you, Madam Principal. Thank you for the wonderful start to this faculty development program. As always, you have filled all of us with energy, enthusiasm, and a wish to do more, to learn more, as it is the name Atal, AICT Teaching and Learning Academy. So from this academy, which is going to be running every day for the next 6 days, in the evening time, we'll try to put in our level best. And at this juncture, I also welcome Professor Asif, who has joined, our resource person. Dr. Abhishek has also joined as our resource person. So big shout out to the resource persons who have joined from various parts of the globe for this particular day. And at the same time, a big welcome to Dr. Gagan, who is the coordinator of this FDP. And this faculty development program is being organized at Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya. So I would like to invite Dr. Gagan to please come up and introduce this event to the entire
சுட சுட
gathering.
சாம்பார் சாதம் கொடுத்த இதுக்கு மேல என்ன வேணும்
So, may I also request all the participants to keep themselves at mute so that the speakers are loud and clear. So, Dr. Gagandeep is the head of PG Department of Mathematics, a very enthusiast teacher, a very enthusiast learner, and I believe that she is such a hardworking person that whatever duty is assigned to her, she does it so nicely, so beautifully, that particular task becomes a record making task in itself. So this particular faculty development program has been able to garner a strength of much above 100 participants, as was given the target by AICT. So big congratulations to both the coordinators. And may I now invite Dr. Gagandeep to tell you a little bit more about this event. With huge applause, virtual applauses, now is the time for Dr. Gagan to come up.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anjana Bhatia ma'am, for your kind words. I welcome all the participants to the online platform of Hans Raj Mahila Mahavidyalaya, a prestigious institution of North India who has been empowering women since 1927. Alone, we can say, but together, we can talk. Individually, we can do a lot, but together, we can do so much and create history. This 6-day online Atal FDP is an excellent initiative by HMV to create awareness among young minds about sustainable innovative practices that can help us optimize the use of resources, reduce waste, promote remote work and virtual collaboration for a better future. Digital transformation ideas using AI and machine learning will help to integrate advanced technologies and improve operational efficiency, while sustainable transformation will focus on integrating conservative practices into an organization's operations and strategies. Nowadays, digital transformation and sustainability are interlinked. The FDP will put light on the Sustainable Development Goals, which is an action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy peace and prosperity through global cooperation. The development of new products, services, processes, or business models will be an innovative part of this FDP that will contribute to the environmental and social sustainability while also generating economic value. We are also going to learn different key aspects and types of entrepreneurship that is defined as identifying, developing, and managing business ideas to make it a successful venture while taking on financial risks and rewards that come with it. Artificial intelligence in healthcare will be the latest insight that participants are going to know and understand in depth. Thus, FDP will cover the topics that will empower the participants in understanding the importance of sustainable education pedagogies, sustainable entrepreneurship, digital transformation, climate change, and sustainability based on experiential and outcome-based teaching and learning. I'm thankful to DAV Managing Committee and Madam Principal Dr. Mrs. Raji Sareen for always being the guiding force and motivation for all of us in organizing such innovative events from time to time. I'm thankful to AICTE Training and Learning Academy for providing us this opportunity to organize this FDP on sustainable innovative practices for better future. So let us start this journey with full enthusiasm and zeal so that it can lead us to an enlightening path of wisdom. Thank you once again. Over to Madam Anjana Bhatia for the next proceedings.
Thank you, Dr. Gagan. Yes, definitely it is going to be a journey of enthusiasm, of learning, of sustainability. I must tell all the participants that as our principal informed you that HMV is the hub of sustainable practices. Our own principle is known as the Eco Visionary Principle, and the college is known as the best green college of the entire nation. We have received the Green Campus Award from ASSOCHAM, from FICCI, from various other institutions, National Edu-Trust of India, time and again, for 3 times in the row. We have been the district green champion. So HMV champions zero waste policy, zero water, zero food, zero solid waste policy, so that we contribute towards the human resource which is going to be the best for the country, and who are going to contribute a lot towards sustainability for the nation. And now is the time for me to invite our very respected Dr. Seema Khanna, who is the co-coordinator of this faculty development program. She has been burning midnight oil to make this event a huge success, and it is a huge success given the numbers of the participants of this faculty development program. So now I take this opportunity to be inviting Dr. Seema Khanna, Associate Professor in the PG Department of Commerce and Management, and who is also the co-coordinator of this faculty development program. Over to Dr. Seema Khanna.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you're perfectly audible.
Thank you, Dr. Anjana. Respected Madam Principal, dear colleagues, and all the participants, a warm welcome to all of you on this online Atal FTP, where the participants from the different parts of the country are participating. And I am here having a duty to introduce you with all the rules and regulations and information about this FTP. First of all, the participants are required to attend the program with minimum 80% attendance. On the 6th day, between 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., a test will be conducted online. Minimum 70% marks are required to qualify this test. So both these conditions are necessary for obtaining the certificate of this course. Attendance link will be posted in chat box after 10 minutes of the start of each session, which will later on be uploaded on the Atal portal. So mark your attendance immediately as the link is posted in the chat box. All the sessions will be recorded by our technical team to further upload on the portal. Participants are required or requested to keep their cameras on for the attendance purpose also, and otherwise also you are requested to keep the your cameras on. It is necessary for the effective implementation of our program, because the clips are to go to Atal FTP portal. Participants have been given a specific ID by our team, so kindly use this ID while putting your attendance and wherever it is required. On the 6th day, feedback will be given by all the participants on their Atal ID, which is required for the purpose of certificates also. Next, all the necessary details should be checked by the participants, filled by them on the portal, so that the correct certificate can come to you. After the successful completion of FTP, certificates will be issued by Atal team on the ID of the participants only. Few of the participants from different states must give their feedback in the online feedback session 2 on the 6th day between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., for which the instructions will be given later on. A WhatsApp group is also formed by our organizing committee. Participants may ask any query or any problem in that group only. Now, something about the schedule of our 6-day Atal Online FTP. For today, very first day, the sessions will be 2 sessions. First session will start from 6:30 to 8. Second from 8 to 9:30 p.m. as per the schedule given to you. And from the 2nd to 5th day, again the 2 sessions will be conducted. First session from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Second from 7:30 to 9 p.m. But on the last very day, 6th day, on 6th September, the sessions will be started from 2. So 2 to 30 first session, from 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. second session, 5 to 6:30 third session. Then afterwards, from 6:30 to 7:30, we will be having a online test session and also the feedback session. Then 7:30 to 8 p.m. valedictory session will be conducted. And this is all about the schedule. I hope you have received the schedule and read it properly. And we will be very thankful to all the participants to join our meeting. And during whole program, during whole 1 week FTP, we want to have your full cooperation in all respects. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Over to
Thank you,
Anjana, ma'am.
Seema. Anjana, I'm just taking 1 minute. Thank you, Seema ma'am. Thank you so much for such a detailed information. But you missed one thing, ma'am. What
Ji,
about
ma'am.
tea and coffee?
Okay.
So you
Okay,
missed
ma'am.
that. You missed that, ma'am. So let us have a small break in between, maybe 5 minutes, for a cup of tea, nimbu pani, or coffee, or something like that too. Right?
Very right, ma'am.
Over to you, Anjana.
Yes, ma'am. No faculty development program can be carried out without a, refreshing cup of tea. So let us take this 5 minutes break in between two sessions. We are having two
Yeah.
sessions every day. So in between two sessions, we can have this break so that everybody feels refreshed. And Dr. Seema Khanna has just told you about 80% attendance. I'm sure you'll all be there with 100% attendance, because the learning is the most important thing. And let us hope that you gain the maximum out of it. And ma'am principal, we are so thankful to you for sparing your time. And now let us begin with the session, and I hand it over to Dr. Kajal Puri from Department of Commerce and Management for further day. So she is the day in charge, and she will be carrying out all the further activities. So may I now invite Dr. Kajal Puri.